How to create and manage categories. Categories are a way to organize your blog posts into different sections and different topics. To create new categories, simply log into your WordPress blog and go to the post section, and you'll see a section called categories. In this example, I'm using the golf tips niche. So some example categories I could use are golf videos, golf articles, golf how-tos, how to improve your golf swing, and more. So let's put in golf videos. So I'm going to put golf videos as one of the categories for this blog. So any new blog posts I put related to golf videos would go under golf videos category. I can leave out the slug. It will automatically create a slug for me, which will be a URL-friendly version of the name. This helps with optimizing your pages and posts for search engines. For parent, I can leave it to none since this will be a main category, and I can simply click Add New Category. Now, if I want to add a subcategory under golf videos, I can simply enter it in. So I'm going to use golf swing as a subcategory of golf videos and choose golf videos as a parent. So if I have any golf videos related to golf swing, they will fall under that, and I add new category. So now you can see that there's a dash, meaning that it's a subcategory of golf videos.